In this tutorial video, I'm going to be chatting about this little notification that might pop up on your dashboard when you log into your WordPress website. So you might have logged into your WordPress website in the last couple of months and you might have seen this PHP update required, and you might be wondering exactly what that means and how exactly do you update your PHP. Okay, so PHP is just kind of the programming language that WordPress uses to run and to maintain WordPress. Now, as it says here, newer versions of PHP actually make WordPress run faster and more securely. So it's super important that you do this PHP update. So what you'll need to do the update is your control panel login details. So that's your cPanel login details. And you can find that by going to your domain provider or your host provider's login details. And you should have got that when you purchased your domain and your hosting package. So once you are in your cPanel, you are going to scroll down. And what you're going to look for is this select PHP version. Now, some cPanels look a little bit different, and you might have something else here, but it's always along the lines of selecting your PHP version. And so you click on the select PHP version. Okay, and once we're in here, we can see that our current version is this 7.0. So we're going to click on this drop-down box. We are going to select the highest that we have, which is 7.4, this option. There is now a 8. Some might not support the 8, so stick with 7.4 for now and set as current. So that's the highest version we have at the moment. We click set as current. And once we have done that, we come back to our WordPress. We just make sure that it is working properly. If, for example, you get a weird screen or it goes blank, just go back to the version you had before. So I had 7, maybe go back to 7.3 or 7.2. Just change it down again to whichever one your WordPress can support. It should be able to support 7.4. If it doesn't, then you probably need to look at your updates and you need to make sure that your WordPress version is up to date. So let's just have a refresh of this page. You see your PHP appears to be missing a MySQL extension. So let's go back here. Let's look for the MySQL extension. Click on those two. Okay, and that has been successfully updated. Let's have a refresh, just see if that works properly. And there we go. I can log into my website and it is working perfectly. It's always good when you run into a little issue so I can show you exactly why something isn't working properly. So that's the process of updating to your latest version of your latest PHP version.